Welcome to aminacademy.com. In robotics, we'll discuss about types of robot. What is a robot? A robot is a programmable machine that can perform a task with minimal human intervention. Typically, they are designed to carry out repetitive or dangerous jobs with speed and precision to substitute human effort. All this programmable system find new ways to automate everyday tasks and jobs across various industries. They change society as whole. Below are several different types of robots that are challenging what was previously thought possible of computerized machines. There is a lot of robots are there in that humanoid robots, industrial robots, social robot, medical robots, service robots, and cobots. Now, there are a lot of types of robots. Among them, we will discuss few here. Robots can be broadly categorized by their design, function, and applications. Common types include industrial robots like articulated SCARA and Cartesian robots, service robots for tasks like cleaning, delivery, and security, medical robots for surgery and rehabilitation, and military robots for surveillance, bomb disposal, etc. Other classifications include autonomous robots, humanoid robots, and collaborative robots, that is, cobots. Now, for the discussion, here some detailed breakdown in that by design and structure. Articulated robots, what are they? Have multiple rotational joints allowing for a wide range of motion. There are articulated robots. Articulated robots, also known as jointed arm robots, are a type of robotic arms characterized by multiple rotating joints, that is axis, that allows for a wide range of motion mimicking the movement of your human arms. They are commonly used in industrial settings for tasks like welding, material handling, and assembly due to their flexibility and dexterity. Cartesian gantry or gantry robots utilizes linear movements along three axes XYZ. A Cartesian gantry robot is a type of Cartesian robot characterized by its large-scale overhead structure consisting of a framework with a movable bridge that carries robotic arms or tools. It provides precise movement along three orthogonal axes, that is XYZ, for various industrial automation tasks. SCARA robots, what are they? Offer speed and precision in a horizontal plane. SCARA robots, which stands for a selective compliance assembly robot arm or selective compliance articulated robot arm, or a type of industrial robot known for their speed and precision is assembly and pick and place tasks. They are particularly well suited for applications requiring high accuracy and repeatedly in a horizontal plane. Delta parallel robots features multiple arms connected to a base, enabling fast movements. Delta robots is a type of parallel robot known for its high speed and precision. Especially in pick and place applications, it uses a parallel kinematic structure with three arms connected to a moving platform, allowing for fast and accurate movements within a limited workspace. Cylindrical robots combine rotary and linear movements in a cylindrical workplace. Combination of rotary and linear movements. Cylindrical robots are a typical of industrial robots characterized by their cylindrical coordinate system. which provides a work envelope shaped like a cylinder. They features one rotary joint at the base and two linear joints on vertical and one radial, allowing for both rotational and linear movements. This configuration makes them well suited for tasks requiring movements within a cylindrical workplaces such as machine tending, material handling, and assembly operations. Polar robots use a combination of rotary and linear movements in a spherical workplaces. Polar robots, also known as spherical robots, are a type of industrial robots with a distinctive configuration. They features a base connected to an arm with two rotary joints and one linear joint, resulting in a spherical work envelope and a polar coordinate system. These robots are known for their ability to handle heavy loads and their flexibility in navigating complex places, making them suitable for tasks like material handling and welding. Next, by applications or functions. Categories are industrial robots perform repetitive tasks in manufacturing and production of parts shown here. Industrial robots are automated, reprogrammable machine designed to perform various manufacturing tasks in industrial settings. They are capable of movement on three or more axes and are uses for manipulating and transporting parts, tools, or specialized implements. These robots are essential for automating repetitive and potentially hazardous tasks, contributing to increased efficiency and productive in factories and warehouses. Next, service robot. Assist human in various non-industrial settings, cleaning, security, and service. Service robots are designed to perform tasks that assist humans, often in situations that are dirty, dull, or dangerous or repetitive. They are typically autonomous or remotely controlled and can be used in the both personal and professional settings. Examples include cleaning robots, delivery robots, and robots used in healthcare or hospitality or restaurants. Medical robots used in surgery, diagnostics, and patient care. Medical robots are sophisticated machines used in healthcare to perform various tasks ranging from complex surgical procedures to assist with patient care and laboratory work. These robots enhance precision, efficiency, and accessibility in medical treatments and procedures. Military robots employed in surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat. Military robots are unnamed. Uh, Military robots are unmanned, autonomous, or remotely controlled machines designed for various tasks in military operations, ranging from reconnaissance and logistics to combat support. They are being increasingly utilized to enhance efficiency, reduce troop casualties, and perform dangerous or impossible tasks for humans. Autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars and drones. Autonomous vehicles, also known as self-driving cars or robotics cars, utilizes robotics and advanced technologies to navigate and operate without direct human control. These vehicles employ a combination of sensors, cameras, artificial intelligence, and sophisticated algorithms to pursue their environment, make decisions, and control the vehicle system. Collaborative robots, that is cobots, designed to work alongside human safety. Next one, humanoid robots, designed for resemble human in appearance and movements. Humanoid robots are robots designed to mimic the human form, typically with a torso, head, arms, and legs. They are built for various purposes, including interacting with human tools and environments, studying bipedal locomotion, and augmenting human capabilities. Humanoid robots can be used in a wide range of applications from manufacturing and healthcare to education and even companionship. Other notable types, mobile robots capable of autonomous movement within an environment. Educational robots used for teaching and learning robotics. Educational robots are specialized robots designed to assist in teaching and learning, particularly in STEM fields. They can range from small programmable robots used for coding and robotics education to larger robots designed for social interaction and AI driven learning experiences. Entertainment robots designed for amusements and interactions. Entertainment robots are designed to provide amusements and enjoyment, functioning as companions, performers, or even interactive toys. They utilize robotics and AI to engage humans through various forms of interactions, including social interactions, physical performance, and storytelling. These robots can be found in homes, public spaces, and even in live entertainment settings. Exoskeletons. What are they? Wearable robots that enhance human strength and mobility. An exoskeleton is a wearable device that enhances human capabilities by augmenting movements, posture, or physical activity through mechanical interaction with your body. They can be broadly categorized as active, powered by motors, or passive, using springs, levers, etc. Exoskeletons are used for rehabilitation, assistance with daily living, performance augmentation, and in various industries to improve ergonomics and reduce injury risks. So far, we discussed about some types of robots. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.